Hi everyone. Today I am very lucky because I've just been given a little present by an Italian company, hence made in Italy, Tintoretto. So they've sent me a little present. So let's just see what I've got here. How exciting. I love new brushes. Right, my goodness, so much. Oh wow. Okay, so we've got series, so they've got series 37, which appears to be a finer quality series because they put them in nice big plastic tubes. And then I've got a whole bunch of, oh wow, this is great, a whole bunch of what do they call these, series 107, I think. So let's start with, let's see what the difference is between the series 107. And they're really nice. Look, they've got a really nice shape to them. And they're lovely blue with some speckles. Not that it makes any difference to how badly I draw, not you draw, because I'm sure you're and they've got some really interesting, very fine nibs here. So let's just have a look. We have, I'm just getting rid of all this very nice plastic. We need to invent an alternative to plastic caps one day. Let's have a look. So we're starting with we've got 8, seems to be the biggest brush I've been given. And you can still see that the wax is still there. It's all, the glue is there. So I'm just gonna try that out. I'm rinsing it in water and I'm just gonna see how that feels. And I'm gonna try it with a nice neutral tint on my Buckingham paper. It's got a very nice feel to it. Holds a lot of water and it feels very comfortable, really nice to hold. And I think I'm going to use this very regularly. Let's see how fine we can get this nib to go. So it's quite fine as well. Very nice brush, very nice brush. We need to, I'll give you the details in a minute. Actually, one thing I'm interested to know is the material this is made from. So this series 450 is high quality synthetic fiber. They've also, let's have a look. So I've also been given a synthetic squirrel here, which is a 6 as opposed to an 8. And let's have a look at that. Let's see whether I can tell the difference in any of the qualities. Or so we're going to try the same thing. If I'm really honest, I can't tell massively the difference between their synthetic squirrel and synthetic fiber. They feel very similar, both very nice. I'm not sure. I'm going to check in a minute which one is more expensive. They have a very nice fine tip. I am guessing that the synthetic fiber might be longer lasting than the synthetic squirrel, but it's just a guess. So yeah, I like it. It holds a lot of water, it holds a lot of pigment, and is very stable. It has a nice snap to it, so when you press, it returns back to the original shape very quickly. And I am definitely going to use these. Definitely a winner for me. So I just checked, and the 107 series, which is the squirrel, synthetic squirrel, is a little bit more expensive than the synthetic fiber. honestly, I couldn't tell you which one I prefer now. It'll have to be, I'll have to do a lot more before I can make that decision. But I certainly like the way it feels and the way it holds water, and very nice, look, very nice, very thin lines. I'm going to try that with the 8 now. I think I've now spotted the difference between, no, they're both equally fine if you want to control, so I like both. What would be really nice is to see how the little ones hold the water. So these ones are always a bit trickier. So this is the synthetic Squirrel, and let's just see how well they do when we put some. Let's see what they do here. Okay, so we have a very thin nib here. Oh wow, this is really nice. Look at that. Yeah, very, very well controlled. And look, I'm still going, yeah? It's still fully, yeah, look, you can get a lot out of this. Wow, goes on forever. So, definitely like this brush. Very nice brush. It feels very good, and it holds a lot of pigment. Let's just see when it runs out. Probably I will run out of energy before it does. So highly recommend this. This is the number 1 in 107. So this is the synthetic Squirrel, and I'm still going, and I haven't put any more into it. So this is the fancy stuff. This is a Siberian Kolinsky brush, and this is £9 a brush, so it's about 3 times the cost of the other one. Let's get rid of the glue. Let's rinse it a bit, and let's see. That I am sure is going to be very, very nice. And oh wow, it holds a lot more pigment straight away. You can tell the difference. Yeah, definitely a big difference in terms of how much pigment it picks up. Very nice brush indeed. Yeah, definitely one that I will use again. I'm gonna try that regularly, and then after a while I'll tell you whether it's worth the £9 that they're asking of you. But on the first trial, definitely for sure it's a very nice brush. And look at that. You can't get any finer than this. This is a 7, and of course they've been very kind, and they've given me a 3 as well. So all in all, very happy. Tintoretto, I think you've got a new customer. Thank you.